Hi students, how are you? Fine. Okay, very good. So welcome to grade 3, standard 3. I will be teaching you English subject. Which subject? English. So today we'll start the first poem of your English subject. The name of the poem is A Pretty Game. A Pretty Game. Okay. So before starting the poem, tell me, do you play games? Yes? Tell me which games do you play? Very good. Kho, cricket, football. Very good, very nice. This all games you play on the ground. Yes, na? Now tell me some games which you play inside the house. Yes? Think and tell me. Yes, very good. Chess, carom, very good. And snake and ladder, very good. Ludo, yes, very good. Very clever. Do you know the seasons? How many seasons are there? Yes, 3 seasons. Very smart. 3 seasons are there. Which are those seasons? Tell me, come on. Summer, rainy and winter. Yes, summer, rainy and winter. What happens in summer season? It is very hot. Yes, na? Very hot. Yes. You feel very thirsty. You drink more water. Yes. You eat ice creams. Yes. You eat watermelon. Yes, na? Very good. And what happens in rainy season? Yes. Lot of rain comes, na? More rain comes. Yes, we wear raincoats. We use umbrellas. Yes. So here in this poem, the sun and the rain are playing a game. Before starting the poem, I'll recite and show you the poem. Okay? And then we will explain. Shall I start? Okay. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from its hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Very nice, na? Yes, now we'll learn the poem, okay? What is there in this poem? We'll see, okay? Here the sun and the rain are playing the game in the sky. They are playing the game in the sky. You play on the ground and home. Similarly, the sun and rain play their games in sky, okay? Now fickle weather means what? It is changing. When the rain comes, the cloud is the sky is full dark grey color. Yes, na? And sometimes it is blue color. Yes, so this is changing. Sometimes it is blue color, sometimes it is dark, sometimes lot of rain comes, sometimes it is very hot, sun comes, na? We feel very thirsty. So this is changing. Okay, this is called fickle. Changing, going on, changing. Next, and each in turn would try to chase the other from its hiding place. Means what? When you play hide and seek, you know hide and seek? Yes. What do you say hide and seek in Marathi? Lapanda. Yes, you play now, all of you? Yes. In hide and seek, when the sun is taking the den, he will find the rain where he is hiding. And when the rain will take the den, he will find the sun where he is hiding. So both of them are finding each other. Understood? Yes. And each in turn would try to chase the other from its hiding place. Yes. And at last they met to say goodbye. When the game is over, when they finished playing the game, they met each other and said goodbye. When the school gets over, you tell to your teacher, na? You say to your teacher, bye bye teacher. Yes. You say to your friends also, bye bye, we will meet tomorrow. Yes, na? Yes, similarly, in the same way, these two friends met and said goodbye. And both went away. Both went away. And when the sun and the rain went away, what happened? A big rainbow came in the sky. A big rainbow came in the sky. All of you know na? When the rain goes away, a beautiful big rainbow comes in the sky. Colorful rainbow. Yes na? Do you know rainbow? Yes, it is of how many colors? Yes, 7 colors. How many colors? 7 colors. Very good. Very clever. Brilliant students. Yes na? Okay. So after they say goodbye to each other, a beautiful rainbow spanned. Spanned means came. It came from one point to other. It is very big, na? So it is from one point to other point. Big rainbow came in the sky. It spread in the sky. Understood the poem? Yes. Very good. Now you recite after me the poem. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. Start. The sun and the rain in fickle weather. Say after me. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. Were playing hide and seek together. And each in turn would try to chase. And each in turn would try to chase the other from its hiding place. The other from its hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye. At last they met to say goodbye. And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Very good, very brilliant. All of you like the poem? Yes, remaining will do in next session, next period. Okay? Bye bye.